Yes, these are turkey berries. In Tamil, we will call sundakkai. In Telugu, it is ustikayalo. Turkey berries may have numerous properties. Turkey berry may reduce pain, reduce inflammation. It helps to boost our immunity and it has anti-cancer properties. It contains many antioxidants like alkaloids, tannins, saponins, flavonoids and tarvosides. These antioxidants can be very effective against cardiovascular diseases, stroke and cancer. The dry powder berries also help reduce blood pressure, which can be risk factor for heart disease. Thank you.